In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for boosting user engagement and retention, which is Appcues. Whether you're just starting out or you're trying to improve how new users experience your product, onboarding is everything. And Appcues gives you the tools to do it beautifully without writing a single line of code. So think about it, you've built this great product. People are signing up. But if they don't understand how to use it, or if their first impression is confusing, they'll bounce fast. That's where user onboarding comes in. A great onboarding experience can be the difference between a lifelong customer and someone who churns after day one. And that's exactly why app queues exist. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set up app queues, walk you through creating the flows, and explore the key features you need to create interactive, personalized, and engaging user journeys. So whether you're a product manager, UX designer, growth marketer, or startup founder, stick around because this video is going to give you the tools to take your onboarding to the next level. So before we get started, first let us know what is Appcues. Appcues is a no-code user onboarding and product adoption platform that lets you create interactive walkthroughs, tooltips, modals, checklists, and surveys directly inside your web application without needing developers to implement everything. You install a simple snippet of code once, and after that, you can build beautiful in app experiences visually using their drag and drop editor. It's designed to help you guide users through your product, highlight new features, collect feedback, and ultimately drive adoption. The beauty of Appcues is that it integrates directly with your app's UI. So when a new user logs in for the first time, you can show them a custom welcome message, take them on a tour of key features, and make sure they get value quickly, all in real time inside the products. So, what sets Appcues apart is how intuitive and visual it is. You can literally click on elements inside your product and build flows right on top of them. No coding, no engineering tickets, and no waiting. That means marketing, product, and UX teams can iterate faster and test different approaches to onboarding all on their own. So to get started with Appcues, simply head over to their website, which is appcues.com. And from here, you can start a free trial to test the platform out. So simply click on Start Free, sign up for an account. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So as you can see, basically the first things that you want to do to use Appcues is click right here on getting started. So you'll need to do all of this first. So you'll need to sign up for the trial. You'll want to download the Appcues builder and build a flow. So basically, I haven't downloaded yet, so you might want to explore this on your own. So just download this. So now we have the messaging section. From here, you'll see all of your flows, your performance metrics. You also see right here, as you can see, we have the performance overview, flow performance, individual flow performance, and also filter this out. And also, we have the experiment section right here. So from here, you can create your first control group experiment. So if you want to know how this works, you can always click on this highlighted text right here, which are the articles to help you learn how you can use this experiment feature. So to create a new one, simply click here on new experiment, add in the name, the flow, and click on create. So I won't be doing that for now. Let's go back to our flows. So from here, as you can see, you can also ask help from an expert. You can take a guided tour. So let's see, let's click guided tour. As you can see, I'm ready. So we'll have the tour that looks like this right here, of course. Start building. So basically, this is the sample flow that I have created. As you can see, this is the details of the flow. This is the trigger, how often it shows flow. You can edit it to show once or show every time. You can also test the URL targeting. So you have all of your settings for your flow right here. So simply edit it and test it out. Now, if you want to create a new one, of course, just click here on the top right, create a flow to create a new one. Next, we have the audiences section. So from here, we can see the segments. You can see these are just segments. You can create your own segment, of course. You can see right here, just fill up all of this information, the conditions. You can add ones, also show the users. And of course, you can upload your own file for your segments. We also have our users. See right here, we will see all of the users right here. We have the accounts. So if you tap the account level data, you'll need to install the Appcues application. Next, we have the metrics section that has our goals. Here we have the goals. You can create your first goal right here. We have the events explorer. As you can see, you'll just see performance graphs right here and metrics. Of course, you save charts. And of course, the most important thing, we have the workflow section, of course, right here. So click on create workflow. Let's say test, create, and you will now be redirected to their drag and drop builder. So from here, you'll need to work this on your own. So it depends on how you want your workflow to be running, up and running. Basically, this is how you can use Appcues for your workflow and your user onboarding. So feel free to explore first more about its features, how you can leverage their workflows, how you can leverage the flows, all of this stuff right here that I have seen in the video. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.